a circle. I've never seen anything like it.
That's Mr. Blitz.
Look at him. He's thinking the grass is fun after all. He's liking it. He's liking it.
Mr. Blonsky. What do you do, Mr. Blonsky?
Oh, that's where I am so there.
Good.
That's so cute.
The dog's running from me. Well, the dog saw me and I kneeled down. The dog turned right around and ran. Hey.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Somebody's having fun.
They're really cute, aren't they? Look at that dog, how proud. Wow, that's little Primo. That's a good looking dog, isn't it?
Yeah, they're all beautiful. Amazing litter of puppies.
Yeah, and look how tough that girl is with that black eye. Wow.
Oh my
Copper's
goodness.
having his moment.
They still can't quite walk yet real good. All right, I got